Yeah, let me look. They 15, 16.
Yeah, I'm gonna let you work. Go ahead.
So you basically gonna close. So it's kind of wide now. You're gonna pinch it shut.
Right.
Because when you push wires through a pipe, outside of us, I mean, we do it a lot this way too. But then most times we gotta take up a head and make sure you don't lose the wire in the pipe. It turns into a really big deal.
You do it one at a time if you want.
To the side.
Lower voltage like 110. Sometimes you have to tape it, but a bigger voltage like 277 to 480.
And then.
You want to have tape on it because it gets hard. It's a hard game. You want the box. This is going to automatically the switch leg should go and then switch to the light.
I like it. All the three-way, but that's because it's two switches. Very good.
That same, you can cut on same ones with a different switch. So these, you
If y'all want, y'all can get started. Actually, if y'all want to. Well, kind of we need a little space.
pulling them 50 or 100 feet.
So this wagyu right here, you saw these before, right? There you go.
Basically, they're just trimming, then stripping the wire from the switches.
Nah, righty tighty, lefty loose.
A little bit.
There you go.
So every time you give it time, go ahead and open them up again.
There you go.
No, and we're getting that too. Can we get it? Let's see. All right.
Right, boys.
That's why.
Righty tighty. Great job. See, you.
Somebody got a switch. You know what happened? Oh. There,
Oh!
One of them turn opposite of each
Can
other.
anybody see? This is what you guys just did, all right? We opened that one back up so you can see the physical wire. These are closed up, they all work. Right here is switch, the switch on the left side, this switch. On the other side, that's the switch on the right side, right here. Then that's your light. Pretty much what we did was, what you guys did, let me rephrase that, what you did. You pulled the wires, you pulled the two travelers straight through from one switch to the other. And the reason the travelers are so important, they communicate with each other. So this switch with the travelers allow this switch to know when this switch is on or off. That's the purpose of it. The hot came in to one switch, which is right here. The hot, the ground, and the neutral. The neutral is not needed for a switch, unless it's a lighted switch, the one that's illuminated. This is not that. So the neutral, the white wire, went to the light, because that's the only thing that needs the neutral. As Erica just pointed out to you. We had it in yellow. And then on the other side, from the other switch, is the switch leg. The hot came into one switch, the travelers went to the other switch, and the switch leg came from that switch. So that's what you all just did. And you see, the yellow is the two travelers, the red is the switch leg. The yellows are the two travelers, and the black is the hot. So there is here. And you guys did that. I never did that at you guys' age. So for yourselves,
Yeah.
great job.
Great.